Okay, this is something we didn't do with the workbench, but I'm going to square up the edges of the legs for the model.
The last step before we attach the top is to cut. Wrong end.
You sure?
No. I don't know. It's an illusion. Maybe the end you had was right. Try it again.
Later video, we will also sand and finish this, probably at the same time we do the workbench. So,
It's okay, stop it. We got a pretty late start last night, and after a lengthy round of sanding, we called it a night. But we're back today, and we're gonna continue with our project, right? Okay, let's do it.
to start, we're going to.
Cut it right there and undo it. Let's start over. Okay. Are you sure it's open?
It's turning.
Does it say? Got it. Huh. Oh wow. Uh-oh. That's funny. Alright, I'll see you tomorrow.
The top of this bench will be 4 feet long, and it'll be made up. The top of this bench is going to be 4 feet long, and it'll be. God, what's the word I'm looking for? Okay, since 8-foot lumber is usually just a little bit bigger than 8 feet, I'll have to. Dadgummit. Since 8 feet lumber is just a little bit big, I just can't do this evening. This is not working. Alright, now we'll mark our spot. Alright, now we'll measure and mark our spot for this center support brace. This bench is 4 feet wide, so we'll mark the center of it at 2 feet. Alright, now we'll measure and mark the spot for our center support brace.
It's a bench!